Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with another 2 trades. Both these trades were based on Aussie weakness. Aussie is still fairly weak, 11% at the moment. And today's date is June the 11th. I did my favorite 2 pairs, the pound and the euro, attached it to the Aussie, and due to the fact that the Aussie was weak, we're buying both these pairs. Now I usually like to do at least 2 trades because sometimes one of them may not move very much, whereas another one will give you more pips. And sometimes I do 3, 4, sometimes 5 trades. But you gotta make sure you pay attention to money management. In other words, don't be running or in trades that are too many lots for your account size. So let's take a look where I got in on this Euro Aussie. So all you got to do is click and drag it up. Let's get it. Okay, so I took the trade at this cursor here. I was a little bit late at pulling the trigger, but I knew it was going to go up and give me some pips. And I've been in the trade. I took the trade about 22 minutes after 8, and I was in both these trades for about an hour and 20 minutes. So in at this cursor, and looks like I closed it out at a pretty good time, which happens to be 36 pips. And those 36 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $3,263. Remember, you have to have trade management, money management, and proper mindset to be a successful trader. Without that, you will fail. So let's move on to the... oh, and by the way, both of these trades were a great way to trade. I teach exactly how to trade this way. It has the highest winning percentage of all the different ways to trade. It is the easiest and the fastest way for you to be up and running and finding success in trading the markets. So now let's see, move on to the pound Aussie. Drag and drop it up. I got in, as I said, both at the same time, 22 minutes after. Did do a pullback, but the overall trend was up, and I knew I was going to get some pips. Definitely got the timing wrong today, but on these days we need more than a 20 pip stop, and at this point I ended up with almost 16 pips. Double check that. Well, at least 15 pips, and 15 pips on the pound Aussie paid $1,366. And I noticed with the meter here, the pound was also very weak, and that is why it's doing a big pullback. So remember, trade management, it's very important. So another great day of trading for an hour and 20 minutes, and I'm done by looks like about approximately quarter to 10. I'm finished. Today's pips produced 51 pips, and money wise was $4,629. So if your trading system is not producing like my magic trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see my contact information, this information, and it's my magic trigger system. I do charge $250 for. I have a special limited time offer that if you buy the magic trigger system for $250, and if you pay an extra $50, I'll throw in the golden trigger system and the pip trigger system. So it'll be triple the amount of training and education. Keep in mind, the golden trigger is when the market is in a range bound, and the pip trigger system is when the market is trending. Trending is 20% of the time, and the golden trigger or range bound market is the other 80% of the time. So once you know whether the market is trending or range bound, then you can use either system, and that's why I merged them both together, and it's the one you're looking at. So for a grand total of $300, you get my top three very best trading systems. Now my Magic Trigger system has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now included is 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter, the one you're looking at here. Now I give a lot of PDF books, over 100, and well over 100 Word documents. One of them is the $1 Million Trade Plan, and that's for you traders with a very small account. You can start with $1,000 and in less than a year turn that into $1 million, and all you need is one trade a day, 10 pips. And as you saw today, I ended up with 51 pips. So moving along, there's a lot of ways to trade, so I teach a lot of ways to trade. Used to be 36 training videos, now there's 38. My most favorite way is a great way to trade. It's the two that I did today. And over the past couple of weeks, I've been doing some pretty good trading, and so I did 2 more videos, and they're called Great Trade Setups. Now within all these videos, I give a lot of trading tips. I teach how to backtest the Magic Trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market. Now I teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. I also teach how to trade pullbacks, as you see from here down here, back to the bottom of the channel and the goal line, that's a pullback. And if it was to break both of them, especially the goal line, and keep going down, then I call that a reversal. Now I teach how to trade the channel, in other words, buy low and sell high. Pretty good pullback right there. And it is tradable. I usually go down to the 5 minutes to get the timing within this area right here. Let's see. I teach how to trade the goal line. There's always a lot of action around the goal line, and many different trade entries throughout the day. Also teach how to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone, call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype, and I made it easy for you right here. Just have to click on this link and we'll have Skype contact, and through screen sharing I'll give you a free session. Probably lasts about 45 minutes depending on how many questions you have. Now of course, over many years, at least 10 years, I've been working on trigger systems. I do have 26 of them, and if you want to see screenshots of them, all you got to do is click on this link right here. And of course, about 5 months ago, when I had my top best 2 trigger systems, I did a review on it. All you got to do is click on this link here, and of course, after I merged them together and came up with the Magic Trigger, all you got to do is click on this link if you want to see a review. So that just about wraps up this video and another day of trading. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.